Hi guys, how are you all? After so many of your messages and support, today I'm finally here with my first ever high-quality video. This is just the beginning, and I promise what's coming next is worth it. Let's begin. Let's talk about something simple, but extremely powerful. The good old HTML range slider. Most people ignore it, but with a little CSS and JavaScript magic, it can transform into a beautiful, responsive control. Here, I'll show you two sliders, one without CSS and one fully customized with CSS and dynamic color transitions. Let's start with the basic structure using Bootstrap for layout. We've added two sliders inside a container. One has no CSS, just default browser styling. The second slider has a with HTML class for custom styling. Now, let's style the second slider to make it look modern, smooth, and professional. This sets the base height and thumb size for all sliders. But the real magic happens in the with cached class. We remove the default styles using WebKit Appearance None and give the slider a rounded custom look. The thumb becomes a red circle, clean and easy to grab. And to support Firefox and IE, we use these browser-specific rules. These styles make sure it works consistently across browsers. Cross-browser styling is underrated, but it matters. Now, we use JavaScript to change its background color based on the current value. We wait for the page to load, then target the .with CSS slider. We calculate the current value as a percentage and apply a dynamic background using a linear gradient. Let's look at the helper functions. They're super clean and reusable. This calculates the current value percentage. Then target the with CSS slider. This function converts the value into a color and builds a CSS background gradient string. Here, we map the percentage to a color using RGB math. More red for high values, more blue for lower ones. Simple but effective. Finally, we convert RGB to hex, making it easy to use inside CSS. And that's it. A clean, modern input slider, customized with pure CSS and JavaScript. Hope this helped you understand how even small UI elements can be made dynamic and beautiful. If you liked this video, drop a comment and let me know what you'd like to see next. This is just the beginning. There's so much more to come. Don't forget to subscribe.